I love limos. Oh my God. I love you, John Grant.
You're welcome, Margaret.
You're number one brother-in-law.
Oh, you hear that, Richie?
Number one, John Grant.
It's fun when he turns
In your face, Rich.
and it's fun. It's really fun.
Hi, Uncle Itchy.
Oh, I love this.
Aww.
A day of dream come true. Ryder, Allison, and John.
And Fred.
And Francis. I love it.
I want to do the video. Hello. Mike, it's birthday.
Yeah, I'm 50.
What up, people?
Well, he said we're
Yo.
Selena Gomez, I love her.
Oh, that's so awesome.
And you know what, Margaret? You can play it on the way.
You can play it in the limo.
You can play it in the limo.
Is that cool?
I love her. Deluxe edition, all right.
Ow.
Cool. What do you think?
I love
You got anything you want to say?
It's Margaret's birthday.
Allison is my number one niece.
Oh.
Oh.
Katie and Megan.
All right.
Are you okay? Sorry.
I love Selena.